When did you first notice that you may have symptoms of COVID-19?
On the 29th of July, I realized that there is a lot of congestion in my chest, and at the same point of time I was coughing a lot. I thought that it might be a normal thing, as always, but it was not. The next day itself, I lost my sense of smell and taste. So immediately I went to do a chest CT, and in the chest CT, the results showed a lot of glass opacities in my chest. That is when the doctor told me that you have 99 to 95% chances of COVID. So the next day in the morning itself, I did a swab test, and the results which I got was COVID positive. Immediately, there was no option for me but to get hospitalized.
When were you finally diagnosed with COVID-19? Did you have any idea? How did you caught it?
I have no idea, and anyone who tells you that they have an idea how they exactly caught it is not possible, because we go to 100 places, we meet 100 people, we touch 100 things. The only way I could have known is if I was not gone out of my house, but I go out of my house on daily basis. So which particular place I exactly caught it, I have no idea at all.
Were you admitted into a hospital? What and how did your body feel then?
I was immediately admitted to Seven Hills Hospital. My body was very weak. I was coughing, and then I had a chest congestion also. And as soon as I entered the hospital, they immediately started my medication. So within a span of 2 days, my chest congestion vanished, and I was feeling a little good than earlier.
Did you feel scared at any point? What treatment did you receive?
When I entered the hospital, the first thing which I did was I cried for 10 to 15 minutes because I was very much scared. मैं एकदम घबरा गया था that what is this exactly happening inside my body. मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि मुझे आगे क्या करना है और मुझे किस तरीके से रिएक्ट करना है. So वो 10 to 15 minutes कितना भी कोई भी पर्सन रहेगा उसको घबराहट होना नेचुरल है. Everybody is going to get scared. कोई अगर बोलता है I'm not scared, that's a bluff. Because असिम्प्टोमेटिक केस में चीजें ऐसी होती है कि वो आके जाता है, मालूम नहीं पड़ता है. बट आई वॉज अ क्लियर केस ऑफ सिम्प्टोनिक केस, एन एक्चुअल कोविड केस. तो जो लोग सिम्प्टोनिक केसेस हैं, दे हैव टू टेक केयर अ लॉट. सेकेंडली, व्हेन आई केम ओवर देयर, आई क्राइड फॉर 15 मिनट्स दैट बट आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एग्रेशन इनसाइड मी. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था. माय विल पावर इज द थिंग दैट व्हिच गॉट मी थ्रू. मैंने तभी सोच लिया कि आई विल जस्ट गेट थ्रू इट एंड आई विल जस्ट फिनिश दिस एज आई फिनिश ऑल द अदर थिंग्स इन माय लाइफ. And the doctors made it a point that I get the right treatment, because the treatment changes from patient to patient depending upon the viral load. So there is not a particular treatment which any doctor has. All the treatment changes with respect to the viral load of the patient. Earlier I was giving medication, normal medication like vitamin C and zinc tablets and hydroxychloroquine tablets, as well as some other antibiotics also. But after that they did my D-dimer level test. So that is when they saw that my D-dimer levels are very high. So they started giving me injections for blood thinning. Secondly, after that, they had put me on a dose of methylprednisolone as well as Pictas to make it a point that all the infection in my chest clarifies. Even that was intravenous and many other things. It was a continuous support from them, and I'm really thankful to them. And again, I am actually repeating once again that the treatment changes from person to person. There is not a particular treatment for COVID at all.
What precautions were advised by doctor during the treatment course?
I was advised to breathe. I was advised to be calm, not to panic, to take care of myself, maintain hygiene, and check my body regularly. If I have any symptoms, if I have any more problems inside my body, or if there is anything which I want to tell to the doctor. डॉक्टर्स हर 2-3 घंटे में आते थे, मुझे अटेंड करते थे, मेरा ऑक्सीजन लेवल चेक करते थे, मुझे बार बार पूछते थे कि कुछ इश्यूज है, कुछ है, खाना जा रहा है, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मोशंस बराबर हो रहा है, आपको ब्रीदिंग में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और मैंने हर एक चीज डॉक्टर्स को बराबर कम्युनिकेट किया, एंड दे मेड इट अ पॉइंट दैट एवरीथिंग गोस टू वेरी वेल.
How did you mentally prepare yourself during this hard time?
As I told you, you cannot prepare yourself. You have to just take things the way they come to you. What happened over here is that I told you earlier also that I cried for 10-15 minutes, but बाद में आपको realize करना है कि there is nothing you can do about it, but you have to face it. If you don't face it, if you are not ready to face it, you cannot do anything about it. So you have to just face it, and you have to just see to it that the virus which is trying to kill you, you have to kill the virus. So if you want to kill the virus, you should have a very strong willpower. You should have a very strong aggressiveness inside within yourself to know that what can be done and what can you achieve. उसमें वो टाइम में आपको ये भी मालूम पड़ता है कि आप क्या चीज के लिए केपेबल हो, आपका माइंडसेट किस तरीके से जा सकता है, and you learn a lot in that particular experience of 10 to 12 days when you be at the hospital.
What precautions did you take after recovery? Do you feel any changes personally?
Frankly speaking, even after testing negative, being a symptomatic cases, even after taking a lot of precautions, there are many things जो अभी भी मेरे साथ है. मेरी खांसी अभी भी थोड़ी है जो धीरे धीरे जाएगी. I have some scars in my lungs जो कोविड की वजह से क्रिएट हुआ है. लेकिन but the doctors told me that they don't go overnight. It takes some time for the scars in the lungs to vanish, and it takes some time for everything to recover in the body. So immediately after COVID also, अगर आप सोचते हो कि आप recover हो गए हो, that is absolutely negative. Only the asymptomatic cases get well very soon. Symptomatic cases, they take a lot of time to recover. I'm telling you frankly, and it is not, you cannot take it easy. You have to have all your meals on regular time. You have to take the medication on regular time. It takes a time to recover. You cannot just think that you have just recovered and do whatever you want.
How did you feel returning to work after recovery?
I haven't returned to work till this point of time fully. I'm just doing my work in bits and pieces, and that is what is advised from my side also. After your COVID is over, काम थोड़ा थोड़ा करना है, पूरा complete load नहीं लेना है, because any type of load which you take on the body automatically affects you somewhere or the other. Your mental stress, your breathing, everything changes, because the more stress you take, the more problem is created inside the body, and the more slow is the recovery. So even right now I'm working in bits and pieces. I haven't started my work fully.
What do you think are the biggest misconceptions people have of COVID-19?
I am the live example of the biggest misconception of what people have about COVID-19. I used to not take care of myself. What I used to do is that मैं मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठता था, चाय पीता था, डायरेक्टली रात को खाना खाता था. So which is absolutely wrong. You should have every meal which is necessary for your body. Every meal makes it a point that your immune system is in place. Having every meal on time, having vitamins on time like vitamin C, zinc on time, and doing all the things which is necessary to take care of your hygiene level is the only way you can take care of your COVID-19. Not wearing a mask. I used to wear the mask, but I used to remove the mask at a lot of places, which is not nice. I'm frankly telling you. I never used to wear the hand gloves. You should be wearing hand gloves also, because still at this point of time, I don't know how did I exactly caught it, because I always used to wear the mask. So maybe my hands are the things which actually, without the glove, when I might have touched somewhere, that is from where I have got the infection. That is what I feel right now. So you have to take all the necessary precautions. You should wear your gloves. You should wear your mask at all point of time. Only when you are alone, I would tell you very frankly, only when you are alone, you should remove your mask and your gloves. Even if you are going outside your house, अगर आप घर के बाहर जा रहे हो, तो जब भी आप घर पे आ रहे हो, तो आपको अपना मास्क फेंकना है, और आपको घर पे भी आपके पेरेंट्स के सामने, आपके बच्चों के सामने, आपके वाइफ के सामने भी आपको मास्क पहनना है. ये अगर आप घर के बाहर जा रहे हो, एंड यू शुड बी स्टेइंग इन अ सेपरेट रूम, एंड अगर आप घर के बाहर काम करने जा रहे हो, तो आपको अलग रूम में रहना, अलग सोना है, ताकि उनको कोई इन्फेक्शन ना हो. और ये चीज मैंने किया था. आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप सेपरेटली. आई यूज्ड टू नेवर बी इन द सेम रूम एज माय पेरेंट्स और एनीवन एल्स और माय फैमिली मेंबर्स. उसके कारण किसी और को इन्फेक्शन नहीं हुआ. अगर उनके साथ सोता, उनको ज्यादा मिलता, तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता. आई फॉलोड. मैंने एक गलती ये की थी कि मैं ग्लव्स नहीं पहनता था, लेकिन मैंने दूसरी समझदारी ये की कि मैं बड़ों के सामने, सबके सामने मास्क पहनता था. और जब मैं अकेले मेरे रूम में मैं अकेले रहता था, तभी मास्क निकालता था. उसलिए बाकी किसी को पॉजिटिव रिपोर्ट नहीं आया, इवन आफ्टर द टेस्ट. So this is one thing you should always avoid. You should take good care of your body, have your meals on time, take your vitamins on time, wear the mask always, and make it a point that you always have your gloves in your hand.
What are some tips and suggestions you'd like to give to people?
The tips and suggestions which I would like to give to the people is just basic. As I said earlier, wear the mask always wear the mask. And if you sneeze और आपका mask contaminated होता है, इमीडिएटली उसको थ्रो करके नया मास्क पहनिए। अब ये मत सोचिए कि मैंने एक मास्क लिया है तो उसको मैं पूरे दिन उसको वसूल करना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है। इफ यू स्नीज, इफ यू योरसेल्फ कंटामिनेट योर मास्क और आप उसको पूरे दिन घसते रहते हो तो आपको नहीं होने के बावजूद भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है। तो इट इज बेटर कि आप वो मास्क फेंक दो और नया मास्क पहनो। और उसके अलावा अगर आपके ग्लव्स है, अगर आपको इनसिक्योर फील हो रहा है, आपने ग्लव्स पहने, आपको लगता है कि वो भी कंटेमिनेट हो चुके, बराबर नहीं है, एक ही ग्लव्स को बार बार धो के मत पहनो, बाय अ न्यू वन, टेक योर विटामिन्स एट टाइम, हैव योर फूड, बिकॉज नथिंग कम्स बिफोर योर एंड योर फैमिलीज हेल्थ। दिस इज ओनली ये अभी थोड़े टाइम चलेगा, थोड़े टाइम और भी चलेगा, लेकिन जब तक ये चलेगा यू हैव टू मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट वी ऑल टुगेदर, वी ऑल ऑफ अस हैव टू फाइट इन दिस टुगेदर। ये एक सिंगल पर्सन की जंग नहीं है, इट इज नॉट एन इंडिविजुअल गेम, इट इज अ गेम फॉर एवरीवन, इट इज अ गेम फॉर एवरीवन, एवरीवन इज इनसाइड दिस टुगेदर। सब लोग साथ में हैं, सबको ये चीज में साथ में फाइट करना है, हर एक को एक दूसरे को हेल्प करके फाइट करना है। इट इज नॉट वन पर्सन फॉर हिमसेल्फ, इट इज वन पर्सन फॉर एवरीवन एंड एवरीवन फॉर एवरीवन। दैट इज व्हाट आई टेल यू, यू हैव टू सपोर्ट ईच अदर एंड टेक, आपको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रख के भी एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना है। दैट इज व्हाट कोविड इज ऑल अबाउट। And the mistake which you have done earlier, we have to rectify those mistakes and maintain a hygiene and follow the law which WHO people are telling us, and you should make it a point that we finish it and be out of it. Only we, everyone together in the world as a family, the full world is a family now. We have to work together as a family to get this thing out of this, particular situation right now.